Let let capital S be a closed surface bounded by a closed curve bounded by a closed curve in xy plane. Very simple. So entirely Green's theorem only in two-dimensional, not in three-dimensional, three-dimensional space. So this is x-axis and y-axis. Now this is a surface. S is a surface bounded by a closed curve C. Bounded by a closed curve C. Let S be a surface bounded by a closed curve C in xy plane. First part is very easy to understand. If you observe the diagram, then it is very easy. Let S be a surface bounded by a closed curve C in xy plane. Okay. And full stop. And then no problem. P comma Q be continuously differentiable right, continuously differentiable scalar point functions in x comma y. Now another first part is very simple. First point, S be a surface bounded by a closed curve C in xy plane. Now second point is P and Q are two scalar point function, not vector point function. Scalar point function, nothing but some, I will write here, some x square plus xy or sine xy. So all these are scalar point functions. So here P and Q are scalar point functions in x comma y only. There is no z. And also these two functions are continuous and also differentiable scalar point functions. Whenever P and Q are continuous, then these two functions are integrable. For integrable purpose, P and Q must be continuous. For finding the derivatives, partial derivatives, P and Q must be differentiable. Then, if it satisfies these two conditions, then double integral of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy over the surface S equals to integral p dx plus q dy over the closed curve C. Very simple statement. I will repeat again. Let S be a surface. So here closed is not required, then no problem. S be a surface bounded by a closed curve C in x comma y plane. And P and Q are continuously differentiable scalar point functions in x comma y. Then what happened? Double integral of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy equals to integral p dx plus q dy. Okay. Up to this, any doubt? One minute. I will come back. Just 1 minute. 1 second. Okay. Now listen carefully. This is very simple. This is if you observe the left hand side, this is look like a exact in differential equation, but not exact. Just only for understanding. Don't write anything on the screen. Okay. Now I will explain with one problem. Very simple theorem. Double integral of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy equals to integral p dx plus q dy. Okay. Problem. Listen carefully. Verify Green's theorem problems, but very easy and important, most important. Verify Green's theorem for integral p dx. Here p is this one, q is this one, p dx plus q dy, where c is bounded by y equals to x and y equals to x square. Now listen carefully. Now what is the first? Identify the surface. This is x-axis and y-axis. Y equals to x is a straight line passing through origin. Y equals to x is a straight line passing through origin. Now x is here, x square equals to y is a parabola. Now this is y equals to x square is a parabola. Now this is y equals to x. Okay. Now first find out the points of intersection. I will clearly draw the diagram. Now this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now this is y equals to x is a line, then parabola. Okay. Now this is y equals to x square, parabola. Now what about the points of intersection? What about the points of intersection? Both are y equals to x, y equals to x square. Both are y equals to x. So equating these two, x square equals to x. 1 second. Auto saving. Y equals to x square and y equals to x. Both are y terms. So x square equals to x. Now x is the common term. X minus x into x minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 0 comma 1. Then corresponding y values. If you put x equals to 0, y equals to x equals to 0, you will get the same values. First point is 0, 0. First point of intersection is O. Call it as O. Now this is point of intersection 1 comma 1. Now inside this is our surface. Shaded region is our surface. So now we will verify Green's theorem. Now this surface is shaded region is our surface. Just only for understand. Yes, this is S. Now this is closed curve. This is along OA. Then AO is a closed curve. So our surface S is bounded by closed curve C. Then we can apply Green's theorem. Now here P equals to, assume P equals to dx coefficient, xy plus y square, q equals to x square. Now find the partial derivatives. Dou q by dou x, that is 2x. Dou p by dou y. Dou p by dou y is partial derivative with respect to y is x minus 2y. Okay, then no problem. Now double integral of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy over the surface S. Now this is double integral of dou q by dou x is 2x minus x plus 2y dx dy. Okay, I will explain the roots. Now double integral, first x, here y, x plus 2y dx dy. Now what about y limits? Like our multiple integral concept, along y axis, what is the along y axis, what about the, now observe this one. Along y axis, lower curve is y equals to x square, upper curve is y equals to x. Now, this is x square to x. Now, x limits already known, x limit is 0 to 1, like our multiple integrals, similar procedure, 0 to 1. 0 to 1. First integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. X is 0 to 1. Integration with respect to y. Xy plus 2y square by 2 x square to x dx. Now substitute the limits. Integral x is 0 to 1 x square plus x square. Now for lower limit, x cube minus x power 4 dx. Now integration. First, if you put x equals to y equals to x square, here x square, 2x square. If you put y equals to x square, x into x square is x cube, x square whole square is x power 4. Now, 2x square integration is 2x cube by 3. Now, x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 minus or minus x power 5 by 5, 0 to 1. Put x equals to 1, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now, calculate, simplify, you will get the answer. Using calculator, just find out the value. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 is 37 by 60. This is the first part. Xy plus y square dx. Now P, this is P, this is Q. P is xy plus y square. Q equals to x square. Now dou q by dou x, first find the partial derivative with respect to x, then find the partial derivative of P with respect to y, then x minus 2y. Then after substituting all these things in the double integral, you will get 2x minus x minus or minus plus 2y, x plus 2y. Now limits along y axis, the curves are given y equals to x and y equals to x square. Lower curve is, this is the lower curve is y equals to x square to upper curve is y equals to x square to x. X limits are already known, 0 to 1 from the diagram. You will get integration with respect to y. X integration is y integration is y square by 2 to these two cancel. Now substitute the limits, you will get the integral value 37 by 60. Now this is the first part of the integration. Now verification. Verification is nothing but finding the line integral. Finding the line integral. How to find the line integral? First, already known, this is first concept in vector integration. Line integration along OA. Then we will find the integration along AO, closed curve. First, along OA. Along OA, the curve is y equals to x square. Dy equals to 2x dx. X limits. Now observe, along OA, x limit is lower, first starting limit is 0, last limit is 1, 0 to 1. Now substitute all these values in the given integral. Integral p dx plus q dy along the curve OA equals to integral. What is the problem? xy plus y square, I will write here, xy plus y square dx plus x square dy along OA. Okay. Now substitute the limits. Y equals to x square. Now substitute y equals to x square, dy equals to this one. Then what happened? Y equals to x square, x cube, x power 4 dx, x square into dy equals to 2x dx, 0 to 1. X element 0 to 1. Now integration, x cube integration is x power 4 by 4. X power 4 integration is x power 5 by 5. Here 2x cube integration is 2x power 4 by 4, 0 to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Find the value using calculator. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 equals to 19 by 20. Okay. Up to this clear? Now second, respond along AO. Now top curve. Along AO, A to O, y equals to x, x limits 1 to 0. Y equals to x, dy equals to dx, x limit 1 to 0. Now same procedure, integral p dx plus q dy along the curve AO equals to xy plus y square into dx plus x square into dy along AO. Now substitute the limits. Y equals to x, dy equals to dx, and x limits 1 to 0. X square plus x square dx, x square dx. Now 1 to 0. X square, 2x square integration is 2x cube by 3. X square, here also x square, okay, 3x square. X square, 2x square, here also 3x square. 3x square integration is x cube by 3. 1 to 0. 0 minus 1. Somewhere 0 to minus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, integral p dx plus q dy along the closed curve C equals to integral p dx plus q dy along OA plus p dx plus q dy along AO. First value 19 by 20, second value minus 1, that is minus 1 by 20. Now previous one is where some mistake is there. Just find out the mistake. Now see carefully. Q is x square, partial derivative is 2x, dou p by dou y. Just find out the mistake, if there is any calculation error. X minus 2y is correct. Yeah. Now this is wrong. X plus 2y. Y square derivative is 2y. Here if you multiply with a negative sign, this is minus sign. Correct it. This is minus sign. This is minus sign. This is minus sign. Okay, here. Now it is correct. Okay. Now are you understanding? Are you find out the mistake?
Yes, sir.
Small mistake, negative sign mistake. Now correct it. Minus here, x square minus x square both are cancelled. No need to find. No need to find. So this is not required. This is minus plus. This is not required. Then what happened? Minus 1 by 20 is the answer. This is wrong. Okay. This is minus. This is minus 1 by 20. Now the double integral value is minus 1 by 20. The line integral value is also minus 1 by 20. Then what do you say from 1 and 2? From 1 and 2, what do you say? From 1 and 2, double integral of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy equals to integral p dx plus q dy over the closed curve C. Hence, Green's theorem is verified. Okay. Any doubt up to this one? Don't write anything.
No, sir.
Someone is writing on the screen. Bad practice. If you have any doubt, then directly ask me. Unmute and ask me. Now, second question. So today we will discuss 3 problems. Now, second question is, this is not verification, directly evaluate. Now, question. Using Green's theorem or apply Green's theorem, evaluate integral y minus sin x dx plus cos x dy, where C is the plane triangle enclosed by the lines y equals to 0, x equals to pi by 2, y equals to 2x by pi. Now, what about the curve? 1 minute. 1 minute. Sorry, Amma, small interruption. Now, what is the diagram?
Okay,
Now,
sir.
listen carefully.
No problem.
Everything in 2-dimensional geometry, everything in 2-dimensional geometry, very easy concept. Only coordinate geometry. If it is three-dimensional geometry, then it is sometimes it is very difficult. But here, very simple. First, y equals to 0 line. Y equals to 0 is nothing but x-axis. And x equals to pi by 2 is, x equals to pi by 2 is a line is a line parallel to y-axis, and y equals to this one. Y equals to, this is look like y equals to mx. Y equals to mx. Okay, now up to this only. This is A. Now this is a line y equals to 2x by pi. This line is x equals to pi by 2. This is y equals to 0. Now this is a closed curve. This is, I will take it as A. This is B. This is a closed curve. Inside is the surface. So S is a surface bounded by a closed curve. What is a closed curve? OABC, triangle ABC. Now O is origin. Now A point, A is nothing but pi by 2 comma 0. B is a point. What is the point B? Pi by 2. If you put x equals to pi by 2, y becomes 1. If you put x equals to pi by 2 in this line, the point of intersection is 1. Now this is our closure curve. Okay. Now solution. Now very important point. What is the important point? P equals to here. What is the important point? This is an application of Green's theorem, but not verification. Suppose if you want to find the line integral, then find the opposite integral, double integral. If the given question contains double integral, find the line integral. This is a very important point. In this situation, no need to find the line integral, just find the double integral. Okay, for this purpose, assume P equals to y minus sin x, Q equals to cos x, dou P by dou y, dou Q by dou x, that is minus sin x. By Green's theorem, what is the Green's theorem? Integral P dx plus Q dy. This is the required integral. Write the left side here. Left side is the required integral. Now this is same as double integral of dou Q by dou x minus dou P by dou y dx dy over the surface S. Double integral of dou Q by dou x is minus sin x. Dou P by dou y is minus 1. Dou P by dou y is minus sin 1. 1 dx dy. Now y limits. Now observe along y axis, lower curve is y equals to 0, upper curve is y equals to 2x by pi. So no need to write y, 2x by pi. Now x limits. Now clearly x along x axis 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. First integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. Very simple integration. Integral x is 0 to pi by 2 minus sin x plus 1 is constant. If you integrate with respect to y, both are constant. Y 0 to 2x by pi dx. Now minus integral x is 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus 1 into 2x by pi dx. Now integration using by parts. Minus 2 by pi x is 0 to pi x into sin x plus x. Now I will explain with the shortcut method. First, this is u, this is v, integral uv, or apply a simple method, First x, its derivative 1. Sin x second term, its integration is minus cos x, its integration is minus sin x. Multiply these two, plus or minus. Then what happened? Minus 2 by pi x into minus x into cos x minus or minus plus sin x plus x square by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Now substitution. Minus 2 by pi. Put x equals to pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. Put x equals to pi by 2, pi square by 4, already 2 is there, 8. If you put x equals to 0, 0, 0, so finally minus 2 by pi plus pi by 4. This is minus pi by 4. Very simple concept. Now this is required integral. Hence, integral p dx plus q dy or the given problem, then no problem. Along the closure curve c equals to minus 2 by pi by 4. This is also very simple question. Okay. Now another question. So I will change the question. This is same as our previous problem. Now third question. Okay, in the similar way, I will solve the remaining question in our regular class. Before going to the third question, I will explain one concept. Listen carefully. Green's theorem is, listen carefully, the Green's theorem is another concept in Green's theorem. Green's theorem, what is the Green's theorem? Double integral of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy over the surface S equals to integral p dx plus q dy. Suppose if you put y equals to minus y, sorry, p equals to minus y, this is p equals to minus y, q equals to x, what happened? Dou p by dou y equals to minus 1, dou q by dou x equals to 1. If you substitute all these values, what happened? Left hand side is double integral of dou q by dou x is 1 minus dou p by dou is minus of minus plus 1 dx dy over s equals to integral p. P is minus y dx, q is x dy over the closed curve C. Now what about left hand side? Anybody tell me? What is the left hand side? I will write reverse time here. Anybody? What is left hand side? Double integral of dx dy. Jyotika? Jyotika? Hariteja? Are you there? Tanuja? Anybody? No response. Double integral of dx dy is nothing but area of the surface. Area of the surface. 2 times of area of the surface. X dy minus y dx. Now area of the surface equals to area formula is 1 by 2 times of integral x dy minus y dx. Now this is most important concept in Green's theorem. Area equals to half integral x dy minus y dx. Using this one, third question. Find the area of the ellipse x equals to a cos theta, y equals to b sin theta. Okay, theta is between 0 to pi by 0 to 2 pi. Or you may take x equals to, suppose if the given question is like this, find the area of the ellipse. Find the area of the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. Both are same. Now solution. X equals to a cos theta, y equals to b sin theta. Dx equals to minus a sin theta d theta, dy equals to b cos theta d theta. Now what is the formula? Area equals to half integral x dy minus y dx over the closed curve C. 1 by 2 times of integral x into dy, that is ab cos square theta minus y dx. Y dx means multiply these two minus or minus plus ab sin square theta d theta. Limit 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. So ab by 2, theta is 0 to 2 pi. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So integral d theta is ab by 2 into d theta 0 to 2 pi. So answer is pi ab. Pi ab is the answer. Okay. Area of the ellipse is pi ab. In the similar way, find the area of the circle. Area of the circle. X square plus y square equals to a square using Green's theorem. Up to this, we don't know how to prove the area of the circle. Now we can prove we can find the area of the circle. What is the parametric form? X equals to a cos theta, y equals to a sin theta. Parametric form of the circle. Previous one is parametric form of the ellipse. Is x equals to cos theta, y equals to sin theta. Theta lies between 0 to 2 pi. Now dx equals to minus a sin theta d theta. So what is your doubt? Someone raise their hand.
Sir, by mistake, sir.
No, by mistake, no problem. Or understand? Very easy. dy equals to a cos theta d theta. Now area formula 1 by 2 integral x dy minus y dx. 1 by 2 into x into dy. A cos theta into a cos theta, a square cos square theta d theta. Y dy, a sin theta minus a sin, minus or minus plus a square sin square theta d theta. Theta is 0 to 2 pi. Now a square by 2 integral theta is 0 to 2 pi. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 d theta. A square by 2 into integral d theta is 0 to 2 pi. So a square by 2 into 2 pi, nothing but pi a square. Pi a square is the area of the circle. Now we proved the a very important formula, pi a square, pi r square formula. So I will take one more question. Now, so today's last question, but most important, fifth one. This is also most important. Evaluate by Green's theorem integral x square cos hy dx plus y plus sin x dy over the closed curve C, where C is the rectangle, with vertices 0, 0, pi comma 0, pi comma 1, 0 comma 1. Actually, finding the line integral. What is the procedure? If it is a rectangle, then what is the diagram? Okay, this is O, A, B, C. This is closed curves. Inside is the surface. Vertices, first vertex is 0, 0. Second vertex is pi comma 0. Third vertex is pi comma 1. And fourth one is 0 comma 1. What is the actual procedure for finding the line integral? Find a line integral along OA, along AB, along BC, along CO. So find the 4 line integrals, then add all the values, you will get this line integral value. Instead of this method, simply we can apply Green's theorem. Just find the double integral, you will get the answer. Now what is P here? Now we are applying Green's theorem. P equals to x square minus cos hy. Q equals to y plus sin x. Now dou p by dou y. First find partial derivative with respect to y. Cos hy derivative is sin hy. Dou q by dou x. Here y is constant, sin x derivative is cos x. Okay, fine. By Green's theorem, now we are applying the Green's theorem. By Green's theorem, what is the Green's theorem? Integral p dx plus q dy along the closed curve. Closed curve in OABC equals to double integral of dou q by dou x minus dou p by dou y dx dy over the surface. Yes. Now this is double integral. First x limits, then y limits. First along y axis. Now see along y axis. What is the lower curve? This curve. Lower curve is OA. OA is nothing but x axis. This is nothing but y equals to 0. Now this is a line parallel to x-axis. Here y equals to 1. If you observe the point, you will get the 0 to 1. Nothing but point. X limits along x-axis 0 to pi. Dou q by dou x is cos x. Dou p by dou y is minus or minus plus sin hy dx dy. Now integration with respect to y. X is 0 to pi. With respect to y into cos x plus sin hy derivative integral value is cos hy 0 to 1. Now put y equals to 1. 0 to pi. X is 0 to pi. Cos x plus cos h 1 minus, if you put y equals to 0, this is 0, cos hy equals to 1 dx. Now integration with respect to x. Cos x integration is sin x. So this is constant term x into cos h1 minus 1 limit 0 to pi. If you put x equals to pi, sin pi is 0, this is pi into cos h1 minus 1. If you put x equals to 0, both the terms are zeros. Hence, integral, what the given problem? X square cos hy dx plus y plus sin x dy along the closed curve C is nothing but pi into cos h1 minus 1. Very simple. Green's theorem is very simple and scoring concept. Very easy. So any doubts? Now tell me your doubts. Otherwise I will stop here. Any doubts? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Today I will stop here. Again, I will take another class in Monday. Monday
Yes,
evening. Okay. After completion of your examination, I will take the class on Stokes theorem. So remaining classes I will upload the lectures. Okay. Meet again. I will stop here.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Meet again.